Hey everyone, this is our Lost Life Sounds car horn. It's our wireless version of the horn. It comes with the one remote control. You can purchase additional remote controls if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now it's easy to hook up. Your black wire comes from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you got good ground. Your red wire comes from your horn. It goes to a 12 volt power source. Could be your battery, a fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. Now we got the horn facing down. It's pretty loud. We don't want to hurt our ears here. So this is our Lost Life Wireless Sounds car horn.